Exercise 4.1, question number 3. Solve the following equation by trial and error method. So in this method, we have to try different values of p of the variable and we have to check that which value will satisfy the equation. So here we start with the value 1. If the value of p is 1, so the equation that is left hand side would be 5 into 1 plus 2, that is 5 ones are 5 plus 2, that is equals to 7. So this is not equal to 17. So p equals to 1 is not a solution. P equals to 1 is not a solution. Now we will try another value. So another value would be, let us say p equals to 2. So when p is equals to 2, so 5 into 2 plus 2. So this will be 5 2s are 10 plus 2, that is 12. This is also not equals to 17. So p equals to 2 is also not a solution. When it is not a solution, so we have to try with another value. So let us see another value. Let us take 3. So we are trying with the value 3. The equation is 5p plus 2. 5p plus 2. So in place of p, we'll put up the value 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 2. So 15 plus 2 is equals to 17. So LHS is equal to RHS. We have got the value 17. Now we can say, therefore, p equals to 3 is a solution of the equation. Now in the similar way, moving on to the next part, another equation given here is 3m minus 14 is equal to 1. So here if we try with the value of m equals to 1, so our equation is 3m minus 14. The LHS part is this. So we can try the value of m, 3 into 1 minus 14, which is equals to 3 minus 14, and this is equals to minus 11, which is not equals to 4. So here as m equal to 1 is not a solution, so we have to try with a greater value. So we can try with, let us say, 5. So 3m minus 14 will be 3 into 5 minus 14, that is 15 minus 14, that is equals to 1. Again it's not equal to 4, so m equals to 5 is also not a solution. Okay, so we will move on to some greater value. Let us try with 6. So m is equals to 6. So the equation left hand side is 3m minus 14. Now 3 into 6 minus 14. So that is 3 6 are 18. 18 minus 14 is equals to 4. So we got LHS is equal to RHS now. So in this case we can say that required value is 6. So m is equal to 6 is the solution of the equation.